Hey guys, welcome again. So this is going to be a very short and quick video if you're trying to decide between Amazfit GTS 2 watch versus Amazfit GTS 2 mini watch. What are the similarities, what are the differences? All of these I will list them down in this video. So let's get it started. Now, I have made a note of all the features based on the website and on Amazon. So yeah, let's get it started based on those specs. So starting with the price is pretty much different. One comes at around 12,000, another comes around 7,000, plus minus based on what all the offers you can get. So that is the difference to start. Now, personally, I use Huawei Magic Watch 2, which is a great fit for my, a bit smaller wrist, and it's working pretty much perfectly so far. So let's talk about the common features, starting with the sensors. So both of the watches contains GPS, which will help you to track down while you are running or walking. Both of them have heart rate sensors, no ECG basically, because ECG is available only on high-end watches like Apple watches or even the Samsung Galaxy S3 watch, the Galaxy 3 watch. But heart rate sensor, which is pretty much available in all the watches, is there. Apart from that, there is SpO2 sensor to track the blood oxygen level, which is there in both of the watches. Both of them can track your sleep at night, and both of them can track your stress, so which is like common feature. Apart from that, there is accelerometer, gyroscope and geomagnetic sensor to track your orientation and track your different activities, even your steps and things like that, so which is there in all of that. And then there is ambient light sensor to basically dim or lit based on the conditions in the outdoor environment. One difference which I found in sensors was there is no air pressure sensor in the GTS 2 mini, which is there in the expensive one GTS 2. So yeah, nothing more significant like that. Now, the second point is both come with Bluetooth 5.0, which is kind of de facto standard these days for the reliable connection and in fact longer range. So it is good in both the watches, but there is wireless LAN in GTS 2, which is not there in GTS 2 mini. Again, I'm not sure how they are going to use it. Probably they can use it for pushing notification, things like that, without using the connectivity with the Bluetooth mobile. So that is there in GTS 2, but wireless LAN is not in GTS 2 mini based on the spec. The build quality of both the watches are like with the aluminum and steel frame along with the silicon strap, or you can also get leather strap based on your requirements, so pretty much same. Both are 5 ATM water resistant, which means you can even go swimming with the watches, no issues there. Now, both the watches comes with AMOLED screen, which is great for outdoor readability, and I think the brightness was 450 nits, which I read somewhere. Considering all the deeper blacks and high saturation, it is amazing that they come with AMOLED screen. Resolution for the smaller one, GTS 2 mini, is 1.55 inch of a screen with 354 x 304 of resolution versus the 1.65 on the larger GTS 2 with 454 x 454 of resolution, again based on spec sheet. So resolution is there, pixel density is there, you don't need to worry about that. Now, one difference which I noticed in the specs is that there is mention of 3D glass, tempered and ODLC coating in GTS 2, the expensive one. These things are not mentioned in GTS 2 mini, which means there might be, again I'm saying there might be a chance that GTS 2 mini is less resistant. It doesn't have ODLC coating and all, so yeah, just based on the specs. And also one more thing, GTS 2 mini is 2.5D glass, which is basically all talking about how, bezel-less and how curved and look wise. I mean, again, ignore all these things. These are not very significant when it comes to daily usage. Now, both the watches comes with different amount of batteries. GTS 2 mini with 220 and GTS 2 with around 471 mAh of battery. GTS 2 mini says that you can use it for 7, 14 or 21 days depending on how extensive you use, while GTS 2 can be used for 14 or 38 days based on how much you are using it. And the charging times are 2 hours for GTS 2 mini and 2.5 for GTS 2. Coming to the 7th point, both the watches have silicon strap with quick release, so you can swap them anytime. GTS 2 mini uses 20mm band, GTS 2 uses 22mm, so that's the difference. It's a broader band a bit. Now coming to the 8th point, it can be a deal breaker for many people. Again, this is based on all the information and a spec sheet I could see all across the Amazon and Amazfit's own website. GTS 2 comes with 3 GB of internal storage, which means you can put your music in the watch and you can pretty much hear it with your Bluetooth speakers, while GTS 2 mini does not offer that feature. Again, this is based on all specs. I cannot find anywhere in GTS 2 mini, even on Amazon or Amazfit website, where it mentions music capability within the watch. So you can pretty much control the music on your mobile using the watch, but there is no mention of internal storage in GTS 2 Mini. So this can be pretty useful for people who want to leave their mobile phones at home and run with just the watch and hearing the music with the Bluetooth earphones. So again, take it with a grain of salt. If anybody knows this, please let me know in the comment section if GTS 2 Mini has internal storage or not, and I will pin that comment so that others can find that comment useful. Now coming to a 9.8, this is again the biggest difference between both the watches, is that you get speaker and microphone capabilities in the bigger GTS 2 version, which are absent in GTS 2 Mini, meaning you can receive the call via Bluetooth, take them, talk them, hear them what they are saying without the use of earphones, while on GTS 2 you cannot. There is voice assistant in GTS 2, and you can use even offline voice assistant, meaning that you don't need to have internet connectivity or mobile connectivity, and you can turn up like show me the heart rate or show me the calendar, things like that. You can use that also for voice assistant. So that is there in GTS 2. These are all the differences and similarities. One very important thing, guys, see, I found at 3-4 instances where the spec sheet mentioned on their website, their own Amazfit's website, is not accurate, and the same goes for the details they have given on Amazon. For example, I will show you a snapshot where on Amazon they have mentioned the resolution incorrect. In a similar fashion, the screen size in their website for the GTS 2 is again incorrect. So I just hope that they get these things resolved so that people can basically understand what is the correct specification for each watches. Now if you want to order, you can order them from Amazon. GTS 2, GTS 2 Mini are available on Amazon. GTR 2, I think it's 2 with the circular dial, is available on Flipkart. Links will be in the description. Please use them. They are affiliate Amazon links. So that was all, guys. Please, if you have any questions, list them down in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video if you find this video helpful. See you again. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.